Okay, this is one of those detective work ones. You need to read the question very carefully. So they're identical triangles. They're exactly the same. That's what identical means. So those three triangles, that they're all over the place, but they are exactly the same. So all three have the top angle of 40 degrees. Now they're also isosceles. What that means is that they have two angles that are the same. In this case, if you look at the top left triangle, the two bottom angles are the same, and the top angle is different. They also have two sides that are the same length, and they're identical, so all three are exactly the same. Be careful, these level 6 SATs people, they don't always draw them right. So not to scale means don't take any notice of what it looks like. Okay, so we're now going to concentrate on this 40-degree angle in that bottom triangle. Remember, they're all the same. And that will help us calculate the value of the other two, because we know that the internal angles of a triangle are 180 degrees. So if we take the 40 off, that leaves us with 140, and therefore each of those two angles is 70. And it's 70 in that triangle, but also in the other two triangles as well. So all of those bottom angles are 70 degrees in all three triangles. Now let's look at T. We know that the angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. So if we've got 180 and the triangle internal angle is 70, then 180 minus 70 will give us the value of T, which is 110 degrees. It's an obtuse angle. Make sure you don't write something that makes it look like it's acute. It's not. It's obtuse. Look, it's bigger than 90 degrees. Now if we look at angle R, here we're looking at the angles in a circle, because you can draw around from R and those three 70-degree angles. And we know that the angles in a circle are 360, so R is going to be 360 less those three 70s. Well, three 70s are 210, because 3 sevens are 21. So 360 minus 210 is 150 degrees. So angle R is 150 degrees. And angle T is 110. Don't get them the wrong way around.